What's up, YouTube? This is Ray once again coming at you live with an update on the multipoint conversion, just to giving you an idea of where I'm at, and just, you know, so you guys can see what the hell is on here. I'm about to start doing the distributor harness. This, I'm gonna leave it like that right now. I'm gonna focus on what I just did here. This is the sub harness for the injectors that I made. I ran it through, but I ran it through down here under that, in this nonsense in there, and I ran it through here. My, again, personal preferences. If you want to be a messy fuck, then that's totally up to you. Go ahead and be a messy faggot. You and I can't be friends. But check this out. This is my goal. My primary objective right here is to make sure that this is fucking clean as fuck, right? I ripped that shit off because I don't need it. Fuck the cops. But anyway, this is where I ran it. Boom, boom, boom. I'm gonna wrap that up all nice, and I plugged it in. I plugged them all in right here: brown, red, blue, yellow, and black, yellow. See, color coding everything made my life so much easier, right? This was, remember, yellow, red, and the other black, white. I just trimmed them in the other black, yellow. I mean, I just trimmed them bitches. They're down there. See, they're in there. But I just cut them bitches like I said I was. And here are the old ones right there, just chilling like dead worms, right? So here we are. So bear with me. The next part I'm gonna concentrate on right now is depinning these fuckers, switching around the C1 and C2 and moving them over to B10 and B12, and then running new wires from C1 and C2 for the cylinder sensor. I think cylinder sensor. One of them sensors. I will put a video up of it, but see, nice and clean. I still got to wrap that in tape so it looks like it's one, right? But here you go. There's an idea. Merca. Oh my god. See, where's my dog? What's up, Whiskey? Smelling my ass again, I see? Fucking bitch. What's wrong with you? Yeah, you're weird, bro. Anyway, all this is just how I would do things. Advice on how to do things. You can do whatever the fuck it is you want to do. I've been doing this for over, I don't know, 12 years now. So if you want to learn, and I put up a video of it, you will learn. Eat a dick, just like Domo. Hot whiskey.